First, go to any search engine. Here I am using Brave. Then search, tag, think, and get.com. Then you can easily enter into the website. This is the home page. This is home, obviously. This is news where you can get updated news regarding daily groceries. Here is your profile if you have an account. You can log in over here. If you already have an account, you can just log in by entering phone number and password. To create new account, please click Sign Up. Then you can create an account either as a customer or as a shopkeeper as you prefer. Then you have to fill in to sign up and ta-da, your account is created. By entering your phone number and password, you log in complete. Now, you can chat with shopkeeper and get notifications. By clicking over the shop name, you can enter into the shop page. Here you can see the products available in the shop. By clicking on the product, you can see the product details. You can add the product to cart simply by clicking Add to Cart. Product will be added over here. You can remove the product from the cart by this. Then you want to buy, then click Buy Now. Here, you can choose the payment option. I am using Pick Up, which means you need to pay and pick groceries from shop by yourself. Then click Pay Now and confirm order. Wait for this to turn green. Shopkeeper will get notifications of your product, and after he accepts it, this will turn green. You need to collect products within 1 hour after confirming order. Shopkeeper then pack your products. You can then go and get your products by paying and giving him the code. Thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to share, like, follow, and subscribe.